Check out our newest affiliate update. Now we have an enhanced affiliate dashboard. This feature is going to offer your business a comprehensive view of key metrics, leaderboards, pending actions, and latest updates, facilitating better management and optimization of affiliate campaigns. There are some great benefits to this, and here are just a few of them. First of all, you're going to have centralized insight. Now you can access core metrics like total revenue, customers, and conversion trends. It's also going to streamline your operations. Not only will you be able to see everything you need to see, but you're going to be able to efficiently manage affiliate commissions and payouts. It's also going to keep you informed. The dashboard provides real-time updates on the latest affiliates added, commissions earned, and completed actions. Now your business can easily track affiliate performance, identify top-performing affiliates, and automate payouts, ensuring a smooth and efficient affiliate program management process. This is going to save you time and money. So first of all, let's go ahead and access the affiliate dashboard. That is going to be under Marketing and the Affiliate Manager, and then on the drop-down, you're going to select Dashboard. Now, to have an affiliate campaign, you need to create one. So go ahead and click the plus new button, and then in the drop-down, click on Create Campaign or Affiliate. Now from here, you're going to select the campaign and you're going to sort by the top affiliates. So you'll go to Campaign Selection, Sort By, and your options are Revenue, Commission, Lead, or Customer. You can also access your pending payouts in the same exact area. This feature is going to offer your business comprehensive insights, streamlined operations, and real-time updates, empowering you to efficiently manage and optimize your affiliate marketing campaigns, ultimately driving business growth and success. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.